Hello friends, welcome back to the second video of the exercise 1.2. So this is the part 2 video of the exercise 1.2. Okay, so in the last video, which was the part 1, we have seen the section 1 and 2 from the same exercise. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at the next two sections. So the third section says that, so क्या करना है अभी थर्ड सेक्शन में, solve the following quadratic equations. Same, solve the following quadratic equations. Okay, so what is the first question? The first question is x square plus 3ix x square plus 3ix plus 10 equals to 0. This is my first quadratic equation and we have to solve for this quadratic equation. Solve मतलब क्या है? We have to find out the value of x. Okay, so कैसे लिखना है भाई? Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3i and c is equals to 10. So these are the values of a, b, c. Okay, and you know that the value of x is given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so let's substitute the value here. All the values we know. माइनस बी मतलब माइनस 3i आ गया, प्लस और माइनस रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज बी स्क्वायर इज, ये 3i स्क्वायर मतलब क्या हो गया, ये 9 आ गया, माइनस 4 इंटू ए इज 1, सी इज 10 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into a, so 2 into 1. So let's open this. So you will be having minus 3i plus or minus root of minus 9 and minus 40. So minus 9 minus 40 हो गया minus 49 upon this is 2. So minus 49 is nothing but 7i. So it is minus 3i plus or minus 49 का स्क्वायर रूट आ गया 7. ओके, रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 बाकी है, सो उसका आ गया i. So divided by 2. That's it. So what are the values of x? So first value of x is what? Minus 3i plus 7i by 2, which is nothing but ये आ गया 4i by 2, which is nothing but 2i. Okay, so this is the first value of x. तो सेकेंड वैल्यू कैसे निकालोगे, यहाँ से आप नेगेटिव सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग सेकेंड वैल्यू इज माइनस 3i माइनस 7i बाई 2, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 10i नेगेटिव by 2, which is nothing but minus of 5i. So these are the two values of x. So this is my answer for this question. Perfect. Okay, now let's see the next question. Now let's see the next question. Now I hope you are finding these questions are simple, isn't it? So the second question is like this. भाई क्या हो गया भाई, रेड कलर खत्म हो गया क्या यहाँ से? So 2x square plus 3ix plus 2 equals to 0. It is somewhat the same question. So let's take the values of a, b, c here. So here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3i and c is equals to again 2. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Now again and again there is no need to write down this formula. Okay, so this is the last time I am writing here. 2 into a, which is equals to minus b is nothing but minus 3i plus or minus, so minus रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 3i स्क्वायर मतलब ये हो गया मेरा माइनस 9 माइनस 4 इंटू ए इंटू सी होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू ए. सो 2 इंटू 2 विच इज नथिंग बट माइनस 3i प्लस और माइनस रूट ऑफ, ओके इट इज रूट ऑफ माइनस 9 एंड दिस इज माइनस 8 एंड इट इज 2 माइनस 16 माइनस 9 हो गया मेरा माइनस ऑफ 25 होल डिवाइडेड बाय ये आ गया मेरा 4. सो विच इज नथिंग बट माइनस 3i, रूट ऑफ 25 इज नथिंग बट 5 एंड रूट ऑफ माइनस i इज i डिवाइडेड बाय 4. सो फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x इज व्हाट, टेक पॉजिटिव माइनस 3i प्लस 5i by 4 which is nothing but minus 2, sorry positive 2i by 4 which is nothing but i by 2. ये हो गया फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x. The second value of x will be what, x is equals to minus 3i minus 5i by 4 which is nothing but minus 8i by 4 which is nothing but minus of 2 into I. So these are the two values of x for which the given quadratic equation will get satisfied. Okay, so let me highlight this. This is the first equation, first value of x. This is the second value of x. Perfect. Now let's see the third question. So third question is like this. So x square plus 4ix plus 4ix minus of 4 equals to 0. Okay, let's solve this again quadratic equation here. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4i, and c is equals to minus 4. So x is equals to, now I will be writing directly, minus b minus 4i plus or minus root of b square. So b square is nothing but minus of 16 b square minus of 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 4 whole divided by 2 into a. So it is 2 into 1, which is nothing but minus of 4i plus or minus root of 16 minus 16. So ये हो गया माइनस माइनस प्लस 16, ये हो गया प्लस 16 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2. So minus 16 plus 16 0 हो गया. So root of 0 is again 0. So I will be having minus of 4i by 2 plus or minus, no plus or minus 0. So it will be equals to minus of 2 into I. So third is what? So x1 and x2, so both the roots are same, which is equals to minus of 2i. Same answer. Okay, perfect. Now what will be the fourth question then? Last question of this section. Of course, what to do for this last question? Take this question as a homework question. So ix square minus 4x plus 4i, it is equals to 0. Okay. Homework question. Write down your answer in the comment box so that it will be easy for us to know how you are solving and how many of you are solving and what is your correct answer is. Okay, perfect. So with this we have solved the section number 3 of this exercise. Now let's see the section number 4. So what it says, again we have to solve the quadratic equations. Solve following quadratic equations. So following quadratic equations, but this time the quadratic equations are little bit difficult. So the first question is x square minus 2 plus I x minus 1 minus 7 into I, it is equals to 0. Okay, so this is what the quadratic equation is. No worries, our concept is very clear, so we can find out the roots to any quadratic equation, trust me. Okay, so let's go step by step. So step number 1 is what? Find out the value of a, b, c. So a is 1, b is what it is, minus 2 plus I, and what is c? It is minus 1 minus 7i. Okay, so I want x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. So what we'll do, we will solve this b square minus 4ac separately, and these minus b and 2a we will keep them as it is. Okay, so let's solve for root of b square minus 4ac. So this is equals to b square. So what is a b square in our case? So this is my b square. So it is a 2 in 2 plus I whole square minus 2 plus I whole square. So minus of 2 plus I. So it's a whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is what? It is a minus. So it becomes minus minus plus 1 minus 7i. This is equals to root of, so I will be having, so it is minus ka square ho gaya plus, so 2 plus I square becomes what? It is 4 minus 1 plus 2 into 2, it is a 4 into I, plus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 7 into 4 is 28 into I. This is equals to root of, I hope you are understanding this, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, we have 4 minus 20, it becomes minus of 24i. So this is what this square root finally we are getting. Now the question is how to get the value of this? So anyone, can you please tell me how to get the value of this? Yes, these type of questions we have seen in the section number 1. So in all the section number 1 questions we have seen how to find out the square root of a given complex number. Okay, so the steps where we have seen like this. So if I take the squares on both sides, so I will be having a plus ib whole square. So if you have not seen the last video, please go through that and you will understand this what I am doing here. So which is equals to a square minus b square plus 2ab into I. So let's separate out the imaginary part and the real part. So I will be having a square minus b square equals to 7 and 2ab equals to minus 24. So from this, ab is equals to minus 12 and b is equals to minus 12 by a. So let's substitute b in the first equation. A square minus minus 12 by a whole square, it is equals to 7. So a square into a square becomes a to the power 4 minus 144 equals to 7a square. Okay, so let's substitute this. Let's substitute a square is equals to m. So you will get the above equation as m square minus 7m minus 144, it is equals to 0. Perfect. So I want the addition to be minus 7 and the multiplication to be minus 144. So we have seen that the roots are simply minus 16 and plus 9, which is equals to 0. So from this what I can say, so m is either plus 16 or it is minus 9, or it is m is equals to minus 9. So a square is equals to 16 and a square is equals to minus 9, which is not allowed. So a becomes plus or minus 4. So coming back to this second equation, which was the ab is equals to minus 12. So if I have a is equals to two values, okay, so if I have a is equals to plus 4 and b is equals to minus 4, let's see what the value of b I will be getting. b is equals to minus 12 by 4, which is nothing but minus 3, and यहाँ से आएगा b is equals to minus 12 by minus 4, which is equals to positive 3. Okay, so the answer to this question, see this question 7 minus root of 7 minus 24i का आंसर क्या आ गया? So therefore root of 7 minus 24i, it is equals to, yes, it is a 4 minus 3i, or it is a minus 4 plus 3i. Okay, so let's substitute this value in this equation. So root of b square minus 4a की value आ गई भाई अपने पास. Okay, so let's have that. So x is equals to, yes, of course it is a bit of lengthy question. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so what is minus b in our case? So minus b was minus of 2 plus I. So that becomes minus minus plus. So it is 2 plus I whole divided by, okay, so we have plus minus root of b square minus 4ac is nothing but what? So how you can combine this? How you can combine this? So it is nothing but 4 minus 3i minus 4 plus 3i. So it is nothing but 4 minus 3i divided by 2 into a. What is a in our case? This is nothing but 1. So no problem here. So 2 into 1 is 2 only. Okay. So what is the final answer for this question? So let's take both the values of this, which is 2 plus I plus 4 minus 3i by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 4 is 6, I minus 3i becomes minus 2i by 2, which is nothing but 3 minus I. This is the first value of my equation, sorry the first value of x, and the second value of x becomes, so यहाँ पे मैंने पॉजिटिव ले लिया है, so you take negative now, so which is 2 plus I minus 4 plus 3i upon 2, which is nothing but 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2, I plus 3 becomes 4i upon 2 minus 1 plus 2i. Okay, that's it. This is the answer to this question. Okay, so these are the two values of x which satisfy the above given quadratic equation. So 3 minus I and minus 1 plus 2i. Perfect. Now let's see the second question. Question number 2 says x square minus 3 root 2 plus 2i x plus 6 root 2i. That's very good question actually. Okay, so what is our first step? First step is take out the coefficients of a, b, c. So here we get the values of a is equals to 1, b is equals to what we have is minus of 3 root 2 plus 2i, and c is equals to what? It is a 6 root 2i. Okay, then what is our next step? So step number 2, you can say write down the solution. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this is my solution to the x. So let's substitute the values of a, b, c here. So x is equals to minus b is what? Minus minus plus 3 root of 2 plus 2i plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so the square of negative term minus of 3 root 2 plus 2i, it's a square minus of 4 into a into c. So what is a? A is 1, and what is c? It is a 6 root 2i. Okay, divided by divide by 2 into a. So 2 into a is nothing but 2 only. Okay, so do we have here, okay, so positive or negative? So it's a positive. So 3 root 2 plus 2i plus or minus root of, okay, so now let's open this bracket. See here 3 root 2 plus 2i का स्क्वायर मतलब क्या है? माइनस का स्क्वायर तो प्लस हो जाएगा. सो ये हो गया 9 इंटू 2, ये हो गया मेरा 18, ये हो गया मेरा माइनस 4, एंड ये हो गया 2 2 4 4 3 12. So it becomes plus 12 root 2 I minus ये हो गया मेरा 66 into 4, so 24 root 2 I. Okay, so this becomes the numerator. Okay, so whole divided by we have 2. It is equals to, let me have some space. So it is a 3 root 2 I. So 2 root 2 plus 2i plus or minus. So what we have inside the root? So it is a 18 minus 4. ये हो गया मेरा 14. ये minus 24 plus 12 root 2 if I take common, root 2i if I take common, so I will be having minus 12 root 2 into I whole divided by what? It is a 2. Now if you observe the second term of this equation, what is this? This is nothing but the root of complex number. Root of complex number, and we have seen how to find out the root of any complex number in this section number 1. So if you have not seen that video, please go and check out how we can solve this root of the complex numbers. Okay, so let me take now, let's find the value of root of 14 minus 12 root 2. Okay, I. So let's find out the value of this. So let's make this is equals to 14 minus 12 root 2 I. It is equals to a plus bi whole square. So let's open this whole square. So a square minus b square plus 2ab I. So if I compare this with the right hand side and the left hand side, so what I will be getting? A square minus b square is equals to 14, and next we have is 2ab I is equals to minus 12 root 2 I. Okay, so this I gets cancelled. See, this cancels 2, this cancels by 6. So we have AB is equals to minus of 6 root 2. Okay, so from that if I take the value of B, I will be getting minus 6 root 2 by A. So let's substitute in this equation. So A square minus B square मतलब क्या हो गया? ये 36 आ गया एंड ये 2, सो इट बिकम्स 72 by a square, it is equals to 14. So if I multiply by a square, so a to the power 4 minus 72 minus 14 a square, it is equals to 0. Okay, so if I now let's solve this quadratic equation in terms of the m. I will write in terms of m. Put a square is equals to m. So what equation you will get? So it becomes so a to the power 4 हो गया मेरा m square. So हो गया मेरा m square minus 14m minus 72, it is equals to 0. So if I take यहाँ पे what will be the roots here? So I want the addition to be minus 14 and multiplication to be minus 72. So 18 into 4 if I take, so m minus 18 and m plus 4, I will be getting the same thing. Minus 14 will be the addition and the multiplication will be minus 72. Okay, so for this, so I will be having m is equals to 18 or m is equals to minus of 4, and you know that negative value is not allowed because a belongs to real numbers. So we have a square is equals to 18. So a हो गया अपना, a will be having two values, minus of, okay sorry, so it's a positive of root 18 or it will be having negative of root 18. Now for both of these values we have to find out the value of b. Okay, so if we have root of 18, then what will be the value of b? Okay, so let's solve here. So for a is equals to positive root 18, what will be b? B is equals to, it is minus 6 root 2 upon root 18. So root 18 can be written as minus 6 root 2, it can be written as 9 दूनी 18. Okay, so it will be 3 root 2. Okay, so this root 2 cancel and this 3 cancels this 6 by 2, so I will be having minus of 2 here. Okay, and in the next step, if I have a is equals to minus of 18, a is equals to minus of root 18, so the b value will be what? I will be having the same calculations, but this time it will be positive 2. Okay, so tell me what is the value of a and b here. Therefore a becomes root of 18, b becomes minus 2. Okay, and a becomes minus root 18, then b becomes positive 2. Okay, so क्या निकाला भाई हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे, इसका वैल्यू निकाला है. ओके, इसका वैल्यू निकाला है. ओके, सो root of 14 minus 12 root 2i, it is equals to, okay, so let's combine this. Root of 14 minus 12 root 2i, it is equals to, so what you can say is root 18 minus 2i. Okay, so if I take minus common, I will be having like this. Okay, sorry, so if I keep this minus n, so I will be having plus or minus root of 18 minus 2i. Okay, if I combine these two, I will be having, एक बार ये प्लस हो जाएगा, दूसरी बार ये माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई I can write easily plus or minus root 18 by root 18 minus 2i. Okay, now let's substitute this in the above equation where we have calculated what? The final value of x. Okay, so this is nothing but the x. So let me take that x here. So let me have the selection tool. Aja bhai, aja. What happened, boss? Okay, let it be. I think it doesn't want to come downside. So what will be the answer is 3 root 2 plus 2i. Okay, no problem. I will write as it is. So it is x is equals to 3 root 2 plus 2i. X is equals to 3 root 2 plus 2i plus or minus root of what we have is 14 minus 12 root 2i upon 2a. Okay, so upon 2a, so I can write like this, 3 root 2 plus 2i plus or minus, instead of this under the root I can easily write this. Okay, so it is the root of 18 minus 2i whole divided by 2 into a is what? It is 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 is 2. So let's take first time it's take positive, so this will be 3 root 2 plus 2i plus root 18 minus 2i whole divided by 2, whole divided by 2. So this positive 2i and negative 2i cancels. So this is equals to 3 root 2 plus 18 can root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 upon 2. So it is nothing but 6 root 2 upon 2, which is nothing but 3 root 2. Okay, so first value of x is what it is, 3 root 2. Now next time take the positive हो गया ना भाई, अभी negative ले लो. So it is equals to 3 root 2 plus 2i, it is minus of root 18 minus 2i whole divided by कितना गया बस, it is 2. Okay, so it is equals to, now if I open the bracket I will be getting 3 root 2 plus 2i minus root 18 can be written 3 root 2 plus 2i whole divided by 2. Okay, so this minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 cancels, so 2i plus 2i becomes 4i upon 2. ये हो गया मेरा 2i. Okay, so what values of x you are getting for this? So x is equals to either 3 root 2 or it is equals to 2i. So this is what the answer for this question is. Okay, so let me put it in a dabba. Okay, so solving these type of questions we require the concepts which we have studied in our last video. So again I am requesting you, please go and check out that video. Okay, now let's see the third question. So third question is like this. So x square minus of 5 minus I x plus 18 plus I, it is equals to 0. Okay, now let's solve this. So again we will follow the same procedure here. So first let's find out here. Okay, let me take the black color only. Here a is equals to 1. What is b? B is equals to minus of 5 minus I, and what is c is equals to, it is a 18 plus I. Okay, so now let's write the value of x. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this upon is for both the terms. Okay, so let's substitute the value of a b c here. So it's minus of minus, so it becomes 5 minus I plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so it is b square minus 4ac. So b square मतलब इसका square, so minus of 5 minus I whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is what it is, 18 plus I. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so this is the bracket I am getting. So this is equals to, so it is a 5 minus I plus or minus. So now let's open this under the root. It's minus का square हो गया positive, so ये हो गया मेरा 25 minus minus plus 1. Then it will be minus 1 only, and I will be having minus of 10 into I, then minus ये हो गया मेरा 72 and ये हो गया मेरा minus 4 of I whole divided by 2. Okay, so 2 into a is nothing but 2. Now it is equals to 5i, it is 5 minus I, sorry, it's a 5 minus I plus or minus under the root of, we have 25 minus 1, ये हो गया मेरा 24. So 24 minus 72, ये आ गया मेरा minus 48 and it's a minus 10i minus 4i, ये हो गया मेरा minus 14i whole divided by 2. Okay, now how you will get the value of this under the root? That again उसका answer is what you will get, this part's answer you will get in this section number 1. Okay, now I will directly write this. So this is equals to, so minus of 48 minus of root 14i, it is equals to a plus bi whole square. So it is equals to a square minus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so if I equate this, minus 48 is equals to a square minus b square and 2ab I, it is equals to minus of 14. Okay, so यहाँ से ab की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई बॉस, यहाँ की आ गई minus 7. Okay, So what is the value of b? It's a minus 7 by a. Now let's substitute it here this side. Minus 48, it is equals to a square minus minus 7 by a whole square. It is equals to a square minus, it's a 49 upon a square. It is equals to minus of 48. So let me multiply throughout the equation by a square. So I will be getting minus 48 a square. It is equals to a to the power 4 minus 49. Okay, let's write this in terms of m square. Okay, put a square, it is equals to m. So what will be the equation then? So let's go upside and let's write down here equation. So it's a minus 48m equals to m square minus 49. Okay, so rearranging the equation, m square minus minus plus 48m, and it becomes minus of 49, it is equals to 0. So what will be the root? I want the addition to be 48 and multiplication to be minus 49. So it will be equals to m square minus, sorry, plus 49 and, oh, not m square, it's m, and m minus 1, it is equals to 0. Okay, so यहाँ से आगे m की वैल्यू minus of 49 और m is equals to positive 1, and you know that a square cannot be negative, so this is wrong. So of course I will be having the a square is equals to 1. Therefore I will be having two values of a. Therefore a is equals to what? A is either positive or it is negative. So if a is positive, what will be the value of b? It's a minus 7. If a is negative, what will be the value of b? It's a positive 7. Therefore what is the value of under the root of this part? Minus root of minus 48 minus 14i, it is equals to, so under the root of minus 48 minus 14i, it is equals to, I will be having 1 minus 7i or minus 1 plus 7i. So if I combine these two, I will be having plus or minus 1 minus 7i. Okay, now let's substitute this answer here in this equation. This is our final equation. So let's substitute it in this equation. So you will be having 5 minus I plus or minus this part. Okay, so let's continue here. So 5 minus I, so x is equals to, it's a 5 minus I plus or minus, I will be having 1 minus 7i upon 2. Okay, now let's take first positive, 5 minus I plus 1 minus 7i upon 2. Now let's open this. So I will be having 5 plus 1, it is 6, minus 1 minus 7, ये हो गया मेरा minus 8i upon 2, which is equals to 3 minus 4i. Then next time x is equals to, let's take minus sign. So 5 minus I minus 1 minus minus plus 7i upon 2, which is equals to 5 minus 1 हो गया 4, 7 minus 1 हो गया मेरा 6, positive 6i upon 2, which is equals to 2 plus 3i. Okay, so what values of x you are getting for this equation? It's a 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. That's it. It's very simple. Again and again I am telling you, it's very simple. Just solve these exercises, solve these type of questions with this video, so that you will be getting all the concepts very clear. Okay, just looking at this video will not at all help you. Please mark these words. If you want to really crack these type of questions, then you have to write this solution with this video. Okay, so I hope you all are doing the same thing. Very good. Now what is the next question then? So of course the last question always we have for homework. So let's take the fourth homework question here. So let me write the fourth question. So fourth question is, what it is, a 2 plus I x square minus 5 minus ix plus 2 into 1 minus I, it is equals to 0. Okay, so take this question as a homework question and write your answer in the comment box. and let me know if you have any doubts. Perfect. So with this we will stop with this video, and the next very important section, that is fifth question of this exercise, we will be looking in the next video. So please don't miss this video. Okay, thank you.